Welcome back to GigaBits, where we fix tech problems before they embarrass you in public. You're at the checkout, you tap your phone, and Google Wallet doesn't work. Payments fail, cards won't load, or the app refuses to open entirely. In 2026, digital wallets are supposed to be reliable, yet Google Wallet issues still happen at the worst possible moment. So what's actually causing Google Wallet to stop working, and how do you fix it properly? I'm breaking this down because Google Wallet problems are rarely random. Most failures come from device security settings, outdated Android software, verification errors, or account sync issues. I analyzed the most common Google Wallet problems reported by users and focused only on fixes that consistently work in 2026. Users commonly report contactless payments failing at terminals, cards disappearing from the app, verification or security errors, app crashes or refusal to open, messages saying the device doesn't meet security requirements. In some cases, Google Wallet opens normally, but payments silently fail. First, restart your phone. This resets NFC services and background processes Google Wallet depends on. Make sure NFC is enabled. If NFC is off, Tap to Pay will not work. No exceptions. Check for Android system updates. Google Wallet relies heavily on security patches, and outdated systems can block payments. Update Google Wallet and Google Play services. Version mismatches between these services cause many payment failures. Clear the app cache. Corrupted data can prevent cards from loading or verifying. If needed, uninstall and reinstall Google Wallet. Verify your device meets security requirements. Rooted phones, unlocked bootloaders, or disabled screen locks will cause Google Wallet to stop working. Remove your payment card and add it again. This refreshes bank verification tokens. Disable VPNs or custom DNS services. They often interfere with payment authentication. So, how do you fix Google Wallet not working in 2026? Enable NFC, update your system, refresh Google services, verify device security, and re-add your cards. In most cases, these steps restore full functionality within minutes. For more full guides, fast fixes, and clear tech solutions, follow GigaBits, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more practical tutorials.